Most people think retirement is an age. It's not. Retirement is a number with a dollar sign. And if you don't know yours, you might be working a lot longer than you need to. In the next 5 minutes, find out how you can legitimately earn over $100,000 towards your retirement. Absolutely free. 100% legal. Guaranteed. No scams, no side hustle, just working your regular 9 to 5. Now let's dive in. In Australia, the Association of Superannuation Funds sets 2 benchmarks. A modest lifestyle, about $35,000 a year for singles and $50,000 for couples. A comfortable lifestyle, roughly $52,000 a year for singles, $74,000 for couples. But what does that actually mean? Modest covers basics, food, transport, medical care. Comfortable adds things like dining out and holidays. So basically the gap is about lifestyle. To fund a comfortable lifestyle, you'll need around $595,000 in super for a single person, or $690,000 for a couple. That sounds like a lot, but there's a secret. The age pension fills part of the gap. In Australia, the age pension provides $30,000 for singles and $46,000 for couples, meaning you'll only need $20,000 to $35,000 of your own money a year to retire comfortably. Now here's the reason you clicked on this video. Even small, consistent contributions to your super grow massively through compound interest. And for those who want to know, compound interest is the best kind. It's interest on your interest. Your savings snowball over time, making you more and more money. Most of us get the standard 11% super from our boss. But what if you did something wild? You see, super is taxed at a mere 15%, making it one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in the entire world. Now I'm about to share something that will change your life. Let's say you're 30. You earn $50K a year and work for 30 years. If you only have the standard 11% super contribution, at retirement, you'll have roughly $450,000, which is nice, but you can do better. Now let's say you upped your contributions to 17% and did nothing else different. After the same amount of time, you'll have a massive $696,000. That's an extra $246,000. Same salary, same time frame, same super fund. But now you're $246,000 richer. Click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on opportunities like this. Now some of you are thinking, that means I wouldn't get to have 6% of my monthly income for 30 years. True, but watch till the end to find out why it's like magic. For every $1 you put in, you get $2.73, which means that minus the 6% salary sacrifice, $90K over 30 years, you end up with a net gift from the universe of $156,000. Combined with the age pension, you'll have roughly $1.3 million over your 20-year retirement. Might be time to have a chat to your boss. So how much do you need to retire? Enough to cover your version of comfortable? For many, that's $30,000 a year. For you, maybe it's $100,000. But whatever your number is, one thing is clear. Small contributions now can legitimately make you a millionaire. It's up to you. How much free money will you get? Click on the link in the description for a free super fund calculator to tailor this principle to your current age and salary and comment below with how much you'll earn by applying this method. Join our community of future millionaires and subscribe for more no BS money breakdowns like this one. Let's get rich.